The perfect lawn, a guide to yard grass maintenance. A lush green lawn is often considered the canvas of a beautiful home landscape. While grass may seem simple compared to intricate garden beds, maintaining a healthy turf requires a strategic approach to mowing, feeding, and hydration. Here is how to keep your yard grass thriving throughout the growing season. 1. Identify your grass type. Before you start a maintenance routine, you must know what you are growing. Lawn care is divided into two main categories. Cool season grasses. Fescue, bluegrass, ryegrass. These thrive in the northern climates and grow most vigorously in the spring and fall. Warm season grasses. Bermuda, St. Augustine, zoysia. These love the heat of the south and flourish during the peak of summer. Master the art of mowing. Mowing is the most frequent maintenance task, and doing it incorrectly can stress your lawn. The 1/3 rule. Never remove more than 1/3 of the grass blade at a time. Cutting too short, scalping, weakens the roots and allows weeds to take hold. Sharpen your blades. Dull blades tear the grass instead of cutting it, leaving jagged edges that turn brown and increase the risk of disease. Vary your pattern. Change the direction you mow each time to prevent soil compaction and keep the grass blades growing upright. Hydration strategy. Proper watering is about depth, not frequency. Deep and infrequent. Most lawns need about 1 inch of water per week. It is better to apply this in 1 or 2 deep soakings rather than light daily sprinkles. This encourages the roots to grow deep into the soil. Early morning timing. Water between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. This allows the grass to dry before evening, preventing fungal growth, and reduces water loss from evaporation. Soil health and fertilization. A beautiful lawn starts beneath the surface. Aeration. Over time, soil becomes compacted, preventing air and water from reaching the roots. Core aeration. Removing small plugs of soil once a year helps the lawn breathe. Fertilizing. Apply fertilizer based on your grass type. Cool season grasses benefit most from fall feeding, while warm season grasses need nutrients in late spring and summer. Leave the clippings. Unless they are clumping, leave grass clippings on the lawn. They decompose quickly and return valuable nitrogen to the soil. Weed and pest management. The best defense against weeds is a thick, healthy lawn that crowds them out. Pre-emergent. Apply in early spring to prevent weed seeds from germinating. Spot treatment. Use targeted herbicides for stubborn weeds rather than blanket spraying the entire yard. Pest inspection. Watch for brown patches or thinning areas that might indicate grubs or chinch bugs. Early detection is key to preventing widespread damage. A great lawn doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of consistent, mindful care. By following these steps, you'll create a durable, emerald green space for your family to enjoy all year long. Happy mowing!